Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to use the print then cut feature in Cricut Design Space. If you're interested, please keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to watch future videos. Here I'm showing you how to upload a print then cut file. The files used for this project are from antitay.com. I'll put a link in the description box below if you're interested in grabbing a copy for yourself. I'm going to be covering the difference between the bleed and no bleed option you have before you print your project, so watch to the end of the video for that information. Make sure you click the print then cut option to have the correct image saved. If you choose the cut option, your machine will just cut the shape out of your paper. When you upload an image to Design Space, you'll have the option to select if the file is simple, moderately complex, or complex before you save it to your uploaded files. You can see here that if I select moderately complex, the colors change and look flatter and less vibrant. When I click on simple, you can actually see that it just takes out most of the colors as an option altogether. We don't want that for this project, so I chose complex. The images I upload will look just like they do on the screen when you print them out. This is a great way to preview what your project will look like when you're going to cut it out. Here, I'm just selecting the images I want for the project and I'm adding them to my workspace. Once added to my workspace, you can see that the images are quite large, and since there are a lot of images, they take a while to load in Design Space. Something I like to do to make a project like this more manageable is to highlight and select all of the images, go to the top where you can adjust the size, and make them a lot smaller. I originally made all of the images 5 inches high so I can place them where I wanted. Eventually, I made all of the images 2 inches high and continued. Don't forget to save your project. Now once I had the images I wanted, I clicked the Make It button to see if I liked the sizing. Once I decided I liked the sizing, I went back into my workspace and created duplicate images to print then cut. I sped this footage up because it took a while. You can see here that I just highlighted and selected these images and aligned them just to make the project a little more organized. Once I clicked Make It again, you can see that all of the images would have been printed on 2 separate sheets of sticker paper. I'm not the only one out there that hates wasting materials, and I don't like to waste sticker paper, so I'm going to show you how to print all of these on one sheet, since you can't move the images from mat to mat before printing. After going back to my workspace, I select a square shape and I change the color so it's easier to work with on the screen. I unlock the shape so I could adjust the square into a rectangle. The print area I'm using as a reference is 7.5 inches by 8.5 inches. I know my printer can print a wider area, but I do this to be on the safe side. Now, I send the rectangle to the back of my project, which brings all of the images up to the front to work with. I use the blue area to arrange the print then cut images. As long as they're inside this square, they will print and cut on one sheet of sticker paper. Once I got the images where I wanted them, I select them all and group them together. You can see when I go to the Make It button, there's still 2 sheets of paper. Now the trick is to go back to your workspace and attach the images together. I did this after a little more rearranging and I got rid of the blue box. Now you can see it will print on one sheet of sticker paper. When you go to print, you can see that you have a bleed option before printing. When you have the bleed option on, it tells your printer to print a little extra color outside of the image. This will allow the ink to go all the way to the end of your cut. When you turn the bleed option off, you may chance having a white edge around your final sticker. When going to cut your stickers, you can set the dial to custom on your Cricut and choose the sticker paper option in design space, which tells your Cricut the correct amount of pressure needed to make the cut without cutting through the back of the sticker paper sheet. After your Cricut scans the box that printed out around your stickers, it will begin cutting. Here I'm showing you the difference between the bleed and no bleed options for the stickers. The no bleed option left a small amount of white space around the sticker. For the stickers that I printed with the bleed option, you can see how much extra ink printed around the sticker and how the ink goes all the way to the end of the cut. This is the option I prefer to use when printing full color stickers. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in my next video.